Hey guys, Dr. Matt here, back again for another Wellness Wednesday spring cleaning edition. And today we're talking about cleaning up your diet at work. So I know it's really tempting when life is busy, work is busy, to just want to go out and eat. But as we all know, that can get pretty expensive and it's not always the best quality of food that we're consuming. So I wanted to just share with you 3 ideas. Essentially, I'm going to break it into 3 different tiers of lunch options for you that, and what I mean by tiers is tier 1 will essentially be an option that requires no prep whatsoever. Tier 2, very minimal prep, and tier 3 with a little planning can really set you up for the whole week. So let's look at the first option then, and keep in mind too, as I share these, there's many different things you'll be able to interchange, but I'm going to go with what my wife packed me this morning. So the first thing I have is almonds, apple, and a Greek yogurt. So as you can see, option number 1, I didn't even have to think about it. Pretty much grab and go. These combined items themselves, much less than $5, and getting great nutrients, getting energy that we need. Especially with the almonds, we can snack on those throughout the day, and they're going to help us feel not so hungry throughout the day. So moving on to our next option, which maybe takes a little bit more prep, but really not much. And that is a salad. And you can make your own salad. That's awesome. For me, these salad kits are really handy because they're pretty cheap, they're super tasty, and then you can spice it up however you'd like, whether it's with avocado, or in my case, I've got a hard-boiled egg to chop up, just sprinkle over the top of it. So really, hardly any prep at all. Maybe took me a few minutes to get the egg to boil itself, but very filling meal, much cheaper, and we're gonna feel good after eating this. All right, and then for our last one, and I'm gonna keep it in this Tupperware here, but we have chicken breast, rice, and then just a mixed vegetable. So with a little prep at the beginning of the week, like on Sunday, you take an hour, you make a bulk of chicken breast, rice or quinoa, and then whatever your mixed vegetable you'd like it to be, you package it in Tupperware, throw them in the fridge or freezer, and now you've got lunch every day ready to go for the week. And all it took was an hour of your time. And each of these is, well under $5 too, so very cost effective. We're going to feel a lot better after eating this as well versus eating those Big Macs or any stuff like that. So another just great, easy option for you. I hope you found this helpful. And really, again, my goal was to encourage you and to show you that lunch does not have to be expensive. It does not have to be something that we have to put a lot of thought into. And it can be quick, easy, nutritious, and cost effective. So I hope you try out one of these different options for yourself. We'd love to hear what maybe some of your favorite lunch options are. We're here to help you move better, feel better, be a better you. You guys have a great week. We'll see you next Wednesday.
Everybody's moving, everybody's moving, everybody's moving, 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 moving. Everybody's moving, everybody's moving, everybody's moving, 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 and stop.